Patunayan yan, nung Friday, tsaka sila nag-submit ng application.
So from the very beginning, wala talagang
application, Nick eh. Because kung may application yan, makakapita ng pirma sa akin dyan na dininay ko. Pag dininay ko, mag-a-appeal sila. Magkakaroon ng exchange eh. Ng administrative, they will exhaust all administrative remedies for this. Now, there's nothing to TRO me because first of all, ang tiniyaro nila yung ordinance but not my powers to regulate.
So,
kaya nung sinasabi ng TRO dito, their permit is deemed approved but there is no permit. Now, they cited BP 880. If you look at that, yung BP 880, that law refers to rallies. That's not parade. Parade is 15 days. Ang BP 880 pertains to rallies, demonstration. Assemblies. You have to act in 2 days. Eh, hindi naman yun binigay. In fact, we acted less than 15 days. We acted on it. And how can you act if the letter says permission to celebrate? To celebrate the Pintados Kasadyaan Festival. It is not there. Parade. Alam nila yun eh. Kasi yung mga ibang sulat na pinadala nila, nga itong taon lang nag-iba yung sulat nila. So there is really a strategy. There was collusion here. Because last year, yung sulat na pinapadala nila, gusto namin mag-parade, itong oras, hanggang ganitong oras, itong mga kalyang gagamitin namin, ganyang karaming mga contingent namin, ganyang karaming mga tao, lahat yon. Now, BP 880 specifically says that you have to act on a application or a permit if it includes the following. And the following, they say there, is the route specified. Hindi lang yung route, the time and the day they specify. Kompleto yun. Kompleto yun. So that law that they cited is not even applicable because they did not put all those. But be that as it may. Technical na yan, be that as it may. Ako sinasabi ko ganito. Anong pinaglalaban nila? Ang pinaglalaban nila na makaparada sila hiwalay sa parada ng syudad. Ang pinaglalaban ko, magkaisa tayo sa 29. Huwag na natin pag-usapan itong mga permit na mga ganito. Ang pinaglalaban ko na magkaisa na tayo sa 29, lahat ng political differences natin, isang tabi na natin. Alang-alang dan sa selebrasyon ng syudad, isahin na natin sa 29. Ayaw nilang tanggapin yon. Lahat ng resources, lahat ng klaseng pag-aaway gagawin para magkaroon sila ng sariling selebrasyon. Which is not even practiced anywhere in the Philippines. So this is what I'm saying. Who's pushing for unity and who's pushing for disunity?
True.
Kaya, pagdating sa bandang dulo, anong in-accomplish nila? Kung natuloy sila doon sa parada nila, that is promoting disunity. Ngayon, hindi sila natuloy dito. Pinapakita naman natin sa buong Pilipinas, hindi rin kami united. And ako, I'm pushing for unity. My wife and I, even the congressman, we're pushing to unite everybody on the 29th. Kaya, ang nangyari sa situation nito, damn if you do, damn if you don't. Kasi kung pinayagan namin din yan, na tumuloy at sinara yung buong syudad, marami rin magrereklamo at sasabihin nila, bakit dalawang selebrasyon dito sa Tacloban? We're promoting disunity. Pag hindi naman namin pinayagan, sasabihin nila, bakit na naman hindi na naman pinayagan yan? Talagang nag-aaway ngayon itong dalawang grupo na to, so we're also again promoting disunity. Kung tinanggap nila yung imbitasyon namin sa 29, ano pang issue dun? Nagkaisa na lahat.
Diba, dati naman 29th?
Dati nga, attorney. Dati, Nick, 29 talaga yan eh.
Ayaw nila talagang mawala yung identity.
Kasi ang nakikita...
Distansya ka ng 10 metro.
Kaya itong sinasabi ko kay Rocket Chu, kay Wilson Uy, isang tabi nyo muna, ginagawa ng negosyo, nagkakaroon ng kompetensya, hindi naman negosyo to, na kailangan may kompetensya. There's nothing to compete. This is a celebration that we put everything, all our personal desires, ilagay muna natin sa isang tabi yan. At ayusin natin. Hindi negosyo ito na kailangan, meron ditong isa, meron kakompetensya naman dito sa 29. Ano ito? Hindi naman negosyo to eh. So this is what I'm saying. I am expressing and I want people to help me. People out there, you have relatives, you have friends who are in Pintados, talk to them. What is wrong with uniting? What is wrong in having it on the 29th and having one parade and one celebration. And let me remind you, this is Tacloban City. This is the fiesta of Tacloban City. Why can't we unite and have one? What did they accomplish by going out in the street there and ramming the barricade? Kung pinalusot sila, lalabas sa buong Pilipinas, 2 selebrasyon sa Tacloban City, we are promoting disunity. Kung hindi naman namin payagan, sasabihin nila, nag-aaway yung 2 grupo, also disunity. Kaya wala talagang pupuntahan yung 27 na yan eh. Wala talagang pupuntahan. Whether natuloy sila, hindi sila natuloy, masisira talaga ang syudad. Kasi magkakaroon ng 2 selebrasyon. Kaya sinasabi ko, dito tayo sa 29, magkaisa. Anong issue pang lalabas? Ako'y nasasaktan. Bakit? This is an opportunity again of those media groups who hate our family and national exposure, then they will show and they will use that to put down the city of Tacloban, and all this hard work will go down the drain. And yet we can do this on the 29 na magkaisa. Ano pang gusto nila? Umatras na kami, lahat pinagbigyan namin. Sila naman nagsasabi, permit o walang permit, tutuloy sila. Ruta, o rutang gusto nila, o hindi, o ruta, kung bigay, hindi bigay, tutuloy pa rin kami. Tutuloy kami, saan? Tutuloy sila to promote disunity. Kaya create nila yung situation na yan, Nick. Pag hindi ko pinayagan yan, then sasabihin nila, nag-aaway yung 2 kampo, 2 selebrasyon. Hindi ba? Hindi magandang lalabasan yan. Kung ipatuloy mo naman, sasabihin, may kanya-kanyang selebrasyon. Wala talagang pupuntahan yung issue na yan kung hindi disunity. Now, kung sumama sila sa 29, nagkaisa tayo lahat doon. Anong problema? Anong masasabi ngayon? Masasabi that we are all statesmen here and we can put aside our differences and we can have now one parade and we can shake hands and say, give this to the people. That's why I told Buddy Estudillo, you exercise maximum tolerance. In fact, ang sinabi ko, wag mo rin kantsawan. Walang panalo dito. Talo tayo dito sa syudad. Pag hindi natin pinayagan, sira tayo. Pag pinayagan natin, sira din tayo. Wala tayong pupuntahan dito sa issue na to. And they purposely did that. And they purposely continue to do that. The big question is, why are you doing that? And you're using children and you're using the image of the Santo Niño to promote disunity. I do not understand why you are doing that. And it's really sad because most of you there, nakita namin sa camera, are honorable. You have a board member, you have a barangay captain there, you have a congressman there, you're promoting disunity here in our city. And sad to say, most of you don't get your votes in Tacloban City. So I'm questioning now your motives. Kaya alam mo, we are caught in a situation, damn if you do, damn if you don't. Kita nyo, kaya tapos sasabihin nila, bakit? Kung sasabihin nila, bakit? Dahil mga honorable mga tao yan, pwede lang gawin gusto nila. Pagkatapos kami mahihirap. Pagdating sa ganyan na sitwasyon, pagpapaluin kami.
Okay.
Niyo, Nick?
Yeah, so, sir, next year, ano ang magiging mayor's permit that will still be the same if they apply? But they are invited on the 29th still.
We are trying to consolidate all of this. I said again, that's up to them. We are trying to promote unity here in the city of Tacloban, wherein we can all converge and we can all join in one parade on the 29th. Now, when I say join one parade, alam nyo kasi,
yes, sir.
Nag-umpisa ito noon eh. Inimbita ko yan sa 29, may kapalit. Kasi pagkausap mong organizer, hihingi ng pera. Bakit ako nang bibigyan ng pera sa organizer? Kami naman nag-organize. Kaya dito rin nagkakaproblema eh. Sa contingent, nagbibigay kami ng subsidy to help them. That's enough. But why do we give money to another organizer? That's why hindi matanggap ng pintados kasadyan eh. Kaya nga, pumalabas negosyo talaga eh. Gusto nila, 29 sila. 29 kami, 27 sila kasi may competition. Kita ba? May competition, may kikitain sila kasi sila nag-organize. Saan ka naman nakakita na organizer na hindi naman Tacloban, hindi naman Tacloban City? You see?
So the Tacloban is only a host for, profit interest on their part.
Ganun na nga yun eh. Ganun na nga yun. Nakakalungkot eh. Nagsalita pa dyan si Ramon Tulfo. Wala naman siya dito. Sana pumunta ka dito. Tingnan mo yung sitwasyon dito. Sa bagay ay as I said again, I got hurt, but it's expected. What's new? Take pot shots at people, established naman na kontra yan. Wala magagawa na tayo dyan.
So bukas sa Sangyaw Parade, sir, what do we expect naman? Sino bang
well, the same. My wife Christina is on top of the situation there. Everything is okay na lahat. As I said, I repeat again, they're all invited to join the Sangyaw. This has been the designated day, time in and time out. Year in and year out, yun talagang designated day. Kaya, I'm appealing even to students. Kayo, nakakaintindi kayo, nasa eskwelahan kayo. Ang sinasabi namin, ang pinopromote namin sa syudad, to unite on the 29. This thing about the 27 promotes this unity. If they continue with the 27, we are showing the world, we are showing the entire Philippines that we have two celebrations because we cannot get along with one celebration. Now, if we do not allow them to parade on the 27, we are again promoting this unity because they will see that we cannot have a meeting of the minds and we cannot put aside our political differences for the sake of the people. I've done all I can, Taclobanons. I've offered them last year, this year, my wife and I has offered them to join on the 29th. So we can show the people that we are united here in Tacloban. They continually to refuse that. In fact, if you remember, the mayor of Paloc continually says we will parade with or without a permit. Why? To show the world that we cannot unite, to show the world that we are not putting our political differences aside. Kaya nakakalungkot talaga eh. Somebody must talk sense to this person and all her cohorts and mga kasama niya dyan eh. And nakakalungkot. Bakit? Dahil hindi siya kumukuha ng boto sa Tacloban? Kaya ang lakas-lakas ng loob niya, sirain ang Tacloban City? Bakit ko gagawin yan as your mayor? We've worked so hard. We've sacrificed all these years to make Tacloban what it is now. And even better. We had guests also. You talk about the Malaysian ambassador. I do not know if he was here, but I had Malaysian guests here who participated in the national jet ski competition.
Yes,
in fact, they got a hold of it, yung Thailand at saka next year sasali na lahat sila. Pagkatapos sisirain lang natin yan because we cannot work together. Tignan nyo sa barricade, tignan nyo yung mga clippings sa Jari. Sino yung nangahampas ng tao? Sinong naninipa ng barikada? Sinong lumusob sa barikada? Bakit nila ginawa yun? Meron naman specified route. At as I said, last year, pinayagan sila doon. Walang problema, walang rally, walang gulo. Now, all of a sudden now, bigla na lang, they will ram the barricade. So I'm saying, will this continue? Do you want this to continue? To show the world that we cannot unite? What more do they want? And I would like to caution all our supporters also, huwag nyo sila kantsawan. Ako, hindi kasi ito, this is not a contest. And really, tayong talo dito. Any game. They created a situation that wala talaga, anywhere we go, talo tayo. Payagan natin, sira tayo. Hindi natin payagan, sira rin tayo. Because why? Because the very essence of that issue is disunity. So I'm asking the people of Tacloban, step out, let's work together, let's unite for this 29 and even the succeeding celebrations on the 29. Let's prove to the Visayas, even Cebu can do it, they can do it in Iloilo sa Dinagyang, why can't we do it here in Tacloban City? Yun lang po.
Actually, the other one is, nakita ko dyan, is to put the mayor in a bad light. Para masira ang mayor and the city, and now they are doing it in a national media para may political agenda din yan. Para pumunta doon sa
alam nyo,
susunod na eleksyon.
Hindi, alam mo Nick, titignan mo yung spin nila. Sabihin nila, ang ini-spin nila, we disrespected the image of the Santo Niño. Why? Does the Santo Niño promote disunity? Santo Niño. Why? Does the Santo Niño promote disunity? If they respect the image of the Santo Niño, then go for the 29. That will unite everybody.